does it feel living that good life? Never ever really have to think twice about who you step on, you'll just pay the breakaway. Send them the bill when you can today. Let's talk about making it where everybody's chasing it, like their minds are made up, or some would say brainwash. Pay attention to the chaos, cause it's too.
Alright, you guys, we're on the second to back row. Here we go. Middle seats.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh my, whoa! Holy crap! That air time is, whoa! Oh my god! I love this thing! Oh! Yes! Yes! I love it! Oh man! Wow! Oh! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh.
Definitely a middle seat.
Yeah, the middle seats are really good. Wow.
Tell me, what does it mean once you reach the top? Heard the fall's real bad, is it worth it to ya? Selling your soul, cause it's something you're told. Tell me, how can you go on living this way, ignoring the pain? Trust me, your heart will eventually stop. Drown out the fears that live under your bed. It's all in your head.